Hello everyone. Today our group want to introduce to you guys about a country called Switzerland. Next. Switzerland has a quality and lifestyle appeal. Switzerland excels in the core pillars of a high quality lifestyle. The first thing is health quality. The health quality in Switzerland have a world-class system. The healthcare system considered one of the best in the world. And the health quality have the insurance. The health quality insurance in Switzerland is mandatory for its resident. And the third is health outcomes. Switzerland performs well in many indicators like lower obesity prevalence and fewer deaths from air pollution. And then the education quality. The education quality in Switzerland have excellent standards. Excellence. The education system is highly regarded. And next is the education quality have a high value, where the system is structured and provides a strong support for the children's development. And the third is safety quality. The safety quality is have a high security and the stability. Next. Okay, as you know, Switzerland has a lot of iconic, beautiful, and historical places. For example, it has a place like Kato de Silong, Zeitlok, and Ledboscher Viaduct. Next. Okay, Switzerland also have their own culinary. For example, it's called raclette and Swiss chocolate. Next. And then also Switzerland have a culture and social life. Swiss culture is marked by a multilingualism, strong emphasis on democracy, and balanced lifestyle. For example, Switzerland has a cultural diversity and multilingualism with a 4 official language and work-life balance, direct democracy, and civic value.
Okay, we have to listen about social and about culture and in Switzerland. Now I will be present to you about high demand job in Switzerland. For my research, I have 4. For the first is healthcare, for the second is IT, for the third is engineering, and for the last is finance. Next. Okay, here about visa, work, and permit. To work in Switzerland, foreigners usually need a job offer from a Swiss company. The company will sponsor the work permit for the employee. Next. Okay, for the language requirement, English is currently used in international companies in Switzerland. Next. Okay, about cost living, will be present with my friend.
Okay, about cost living, the cost living in Switzerland reflect a global quality premium. The related expenses are driven by the formidable price of grocery food items, the high cost of rent, and the mandatory monthly healthcare premiums. Typical 300 to 500. These costs are balanced by high average income. Average income around $6,500 per month, and the support of efficient, reliable public transport system. The result on unique purchasing power equilibrium despite the high nominal price. Next slide, hand over to my friend.
Okay, there are work culture and practical tips. The first one is work culture and daily habits. There are 4 aspects. As you know, the first one is punctuality. Being on time or 5 minutes early is a sign of respect and reliability. And the second one is communication, formal, direct, and concise, especially in business settings. Then the third one is hierarchy. In Swiss, there are respect is based on rank, education, achievement, and that's all. And then work-life balance. Work-life balance. The strict working, like averaging 41 hours per week with minimum 4 weeks vacations. Okay, next. And then the second one is challenge for Indonesians. Despite high salaries, the cost of essentials, especially housing, and the expense of hiring domestic help can lead to financial strain. And then the second one is cultural reserve and integrations. And the third one is language barrier. The fourth one is logistic of daily life. And the last one is practical tips for adapting. Embrace punctuality. You can start from being on time at any appointment. Then the second one is learn the local language. There are 4 languages that in Swiss. There is German, French, Italian, and Romanian. And then mind the formality. You can start by handshake or call surnames for when meeting someone. Then there is network slowly and consistently. Understand the rules and budget realistically. Okay, that's all for today. Any questions? Yes.
Permission to ask. In the context of Swiss work culture, why is it often said that being on time is already being late, and how so an Indonesian professional adjust their behavior to meet this expectation?
Well, in Switzerland, punctuality is not just a matter of scheduling. It is a fundamental sign of reliability, professionalism, and respect for others' time. The phrase "being on time is already being late" implies that you should be ready to start the meeting or task at the exact minute agreed upon. Thank you. That's all for today. Thank you very much.